Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 2. What we are going to do across Module 2 is we're going to take what we've started to learn insofar as the general principles of leadership and now look at leadership in the context of high impact practices and implementing change or improvement. So actually putting leadership to practice. As we take a look at Module 2, you'll find that the readings are very interesting. One of those readings includes the Institute for Healthcare Improvement's High Impact Leadership White Paper. And this is a critical overview of how to make your leadership practices impactful. We know that changes in leadership are driven by individuals that actually do the work, and those individuals are involved at the community level. Very often we perceive leadership to be top down, when in actuality, leadership tends to be more about empowering individuals at the community level to succeed. We will also look at some of the change theories, and there is an article specifically within Module 2 relative to implementing change. There are other theories that are not shared in Module 2, other change theories. I would encourage you to continue to explore those theories and then to introduce those into the discussion as appropriate. Is there a change model that you use within your own organization? Perhaps your organization may use an improvement model, or an improvement tool, and that's perfectly fine. Across the readings, we will also explore becoming a leader and building those leadership skills and frameworks that we looked at in the first module. So really assimilating those practices as you move forward in your population health practices. We do have one assignment within this module, specifically the Compass assignment. And with the Compass assignment, you will be doing a assessment of your organization. So I do recommend that you take some time to review the resources available to you in Module 2. Across the course, you will find that many of the assignments are also integrated into our discussion boards. And this allows you to experience population health across other organizations. So I do hope that sharing our assignments with one another will encourage dialogue and mutual learning. For the discussion board, you're also going to go on a virtual field trip this week and bring back what you found. So I do encourage you to share. We're also going to be looking at evidence-based practice across Module 2. Now there are 3 discussions across 3 different weeks within Module 2. And each discussion board clearly outlines specifically what the focus is for each week. I do encourage you to post questions to your fellow students. The more that we can engage in dialogue and broaden our perspectives, the more that we can learn from one another. Let's take a look at Module 2. Module 2 begins with relevant population health leadership outcomes. The outcomes relative to Module 2 are included here, and a wealth of different resources, web links, articles, etc. So do take some time to review those resources. Kurt Lewin's 3-step change model, that is one of the change theories that I mentioned earlier. Kotter's 8-stage process for leading change is another change theory. Of course, there are more. And then within Module 2, you will also find your discussion boards. Discussion board 5, 6, and 7 are all part of Module 2. If you have any questions as we progress across Module 2, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.